A teenager accused of knifing 14-year-old Yaden Modier to death appeared in court today charged with murder. Yaden was knocked off his moped by a group of men driving a black Mercedes B-Class and fatally stepped on January 8. Ayub Maidulein, 18, from Wembley, appeared at Thames Magistrates Court wearing a grey tracksuit this morning, charged with murder and possession of a bladed article. Yaden was knocked off his moped by 5 men in the Mercedes before being stepped up to 7 times in Bickley Road, Leighton, police have said. Three of the men are thought to have got out of the vehicle before Yaden was knifed, then all 5 suspects fled in the car. Maidulein spoke only to confirm his name, address and British nationality during the 6-minute hearing. He was remanded in custody to appear at the Old Bailey on 23 January. Detective Chief Inspector Chris Sule, from the Met Police's Homicide and Major Crime Command, has said the Met remain fully focused on locating and arresting others connected to this deadly attack. Our efforts to bring them to justice continues. A number of active inquiries are in hand. Detectives from the Homicide and Major Crime Command are continuing to investigate Yaden's murder and would appeal for anyone with information, who has yet to come forward, to call police. Anyone with information is asked to contact Incident Room on 020 8345, Durchwahl 3734 or tweet information to @medc.